Honking the horn, unraveling the phrase. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as loud as it is common, honking the horn. Whether you're navigating through traffic or deciphering expressions in English, understanding this phrase is a must. So buckle up, and let's get into the nitty-gritty of what honking the horn truly means. Honking the horn refers to the action of pressing a horn, usually in a vehicle, to produce a loud, warning sound. This sound is typically used to alert others of the vehicle's presence or approach, or to signal the need for attention or immediate action. The term, honk, imitates the sound itself, giving this phrase a vivid, onomatopoeic quality. In different cultures, honking the horn can carry varied connotations. While in some places it's a routine part of driving, used liberally to communicate a range of messages, in others it's reserved for emergencies or as a sign of frustration or impatience. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the message behind the honk. Beyond the roads, honking the horn can take a metaphorical turn. It can imply drawing attention to oneself, making one's presence or opinions known, or signaling a need for notice or action in various social or professional scenarios. It's a versatile phrase, rich in both literal and figurative hues. Whether on bustling streets or in colorful conversations, honking the horn is a phrase that carries the weight of both sound and culture. We hope this exploration helps you navigate not just the language but also the rich tapestry of context and nuance that English expressions offer. Drive safe in your language learning journey, and until next time, keep honking your horn of knowledge.